What's up, guys? Welcome to 12M Hustle. How are you guys doing this morning? Hope you guys are good. Hope everything is good. Let's do a mic check. Let's do this real quick. Let's see, mic check. Hope you guys are having a good one. I'm just gonna check my mic real quick, guys. Checking my mic. Good one. I'm just gonna check my mic real quick, guys. Awesome. All right, mic's good. So I got a little background music for you guys. So when I'm doing a trade, it's a little easier, just in case I mute myself. Awesome. All right, we are good to go. So welcome to my channel, 12M Hustle. This is how we do it. I work from home. I'm a full-time trader. I'm trading my own account, my own money, my own funds. So right now, current trade I have on is from last night. It is on my sim account, on my trading view, on my Ninja Trader right over here. I have my live account. As you guys can see, it says live right up here, live. So this morning we got big news coming out at 5:30. I'm looking for the short. I made this game plan last night. I'm looking for the short underneath this area here. As you guys can tell, this is my area here. Anything under here I wanted to short. That's what I did towards the end of the day. So like I said, I work full-time from home, work remote, and I trade full-time. And I sometimes go live, sometimes do recaps. Just depends on what I'm feeling that day. Today it's Friday. I'm feeling chill. I got my cappuccino right here. I'm ready, homemade. Got a new espresso machine. It's a good day. I'm blessed. I'm alive. Hope you guys are doing great. And welcome to my channel. So let's get into it. Game plan for today. We have news coming out at, let's see, 5:30 and 7 o'clock. So we're going to trade light, and we're going to probably keep it kind of tight. Light and tight. But that is the game plan for today. Let's see. There you go. All right. Hope you guys are jigging the jams. I put a little bit of lofty going on here, so a little bit of lofty on Spotify. So here's the game plan. Let's go over it real quick before I jump in and start doing some work. So if I mute myself sometimes, again, if you're new to my channel, I work from home and I trade full-time, work for a law firm. Sometimes I got some calls I got to do, but let's jump into it. So we've been having nothing but a huge uptrend for like a week. Let's go out to the 4-hour. I'll drop the 4-hour, and guys, this is the area. This is what we're looking for right here. So I drew some levels last night, made this game plan coming in today. This is the major A+ move I'm looking for. So past month we had an upwind, all-time highs, and then we had an unwind. I am looking for the unwind days. We had like 2-3 days of unwind. Today, all-time highs right over here. Below all-time high, which is past all-time high, which is 21,345. I am looking for a full breakdown unwind, and I'm looking to either use it as a target for a little bit of whatever I have on, another target, and another target. And probably stop. It might even go all the way to 20,900, but I'm looking for this area to be my base for a cover. And maybe once we base out, maybe look for a long, but really it might go all the way down to 2084. So that is the game plan. Basically, NFP is coming up. Big stuff. When you trade news, keep in mind if you're trading personal accounts, your margin is bigger. I believe it's 50 non-news and it's 100 per micro in news. So keep that in mind. Again, this short is from last night. I just left it on 3 micros, and that's on my paper account. My live account is over here on the right, and we're just going to be waiting. What I'll do is I'm going to set an order right over here. First limit order to smack me in if it gives the move. So if we get down here, I'm looking for That's what I'm looking for right there. And what I'll do is I'll add another one. Add to the winner. That's the move I'm looking for. And then I'm looking for targets down here. So we're going to start off with 2 micro, see if our thesis is right. If we shoot to the upside on NFP, I'm not looking for to join the up gap fill up. I'm looking for the unwind. So if I do join the gap fill up, it's probably going to be 1 micro and just let it ride. But I'm trying to stick today between 1 to 2 micros, maybe 3. If I get this unwind that I just talked about, then yes, I'm looking to smack on like at least 5 micros and just let it ride. So that is the game plan for today. Let's go over my account with you guys real quick. Pretty good week. I didn't stream for like 2 days, but here's the account right here. So this is the account, guys. We started this account at 13,000, so we're up 2,600. 2,600. Is it 2,600? 13,000? No, 16. Yeah. Yep, there it is. 14,630. So we started at 13,000. So not bad, not bad. We've been working it pretty good. About almost $2,000 in a week. And it was crazy because I was down. I was up and then I was down and then I recovered yesterday. So today like I said, I'm really light on my toes and I'm just keeping it light. So that's the plan. That's it. And then I have my other sim accounts, regular paper trade accounts that I made through Ninja Trader. And that is it. So that is the game plan, guys. We're going to keep it right and keep it tight. And news is about to come out in 6 minutes. Let's see. All right. It's going to be a busy day. It's Friday. It's Friday, baby. It's Friday. Let's go. It's Friday. We all love Fridays. Okay. All right, here we go. It is Friday and it is 5:26. Let's see what we get going on. So NFP, guys, will set us up this morning for. It's gonna set us up, I think, for the rest of next week. We have news next week as well, but definitely set it up for today until news again at 7. So, I mean, it's looking pretty hot. This is what we got going on the 4-hour. You know, if you get without a trend line, you guys can see trend up, a little bit of a dip, some distribution right here, and now we're looking to see if we're going to either go sideways chop or if we're going to get the move down into this areas that I went ahead and wrote off. So I'm going to wait for news to hit before I even jump in. So that's why you see I have limit orders on. And I'm just curious to see what happens. What is it? 527. 527. 527, guys. So I made this game plan last night over some tea while I was hanging out with my wife on my iPad. So that way when I come in today, I just chill. Wait to execute. And again, I'm okay with the no trade, guys. So if I don't get hit into this, I'm cool. I will not be tripping. But here we go. It's looking good. It's looking good. Let's see. Again, wants to go below VWAP. Is it 528? Let's see what it gives us. And I might get, ordered in and then stopped out immediately. So I'm okay with that. I got ATMs on here, so I got stops at like $50. This is just to see trying to get the trend here for the day. And this is more of a based off news strategy than anything. 529, 529, 529, 529. Boom, boom. Let's see. If you're wondering what I'm listening to, it's going to be Loftly on Shopify or Spotify. What time is it? 5:29. Here we go. Market ordered in, stopped out. So that's what I meant. It's okay. Let it chill. We'll take a quick little hit upside. Let's see. Let's see what we get. Pump up. Trying to see if it's got the juice. Let's see. It's got some legs on it. There we go. There we go. Nice. Nice little reclaim. That's what I said. So I got market. That's what I said. I got in and then stopped me out immediately. That's why I kept the size super small. That's cool. Down like $90, but I'm chilling, waiting. Now I'm really interested to see if it falls again here. Now I'll just wait. I won't even jump in. Is what we'll do. We'll look for another fall. This is just me, trying not to jump in front of a trend either. So I was okay with taking a, $100 stop loss down to $98. So I'm not tripping. I was cool with it. And that's another big thing. That's why I said this morning, keep the size tight, keep it right. Because if you had a mini on that news wick, you would have got waked out for like $600, $700 instead of just getting waked out for $90. You're like, all right, whatever. Not really worried about it. And I'm cool. I'm okay with walking away with a $90 loss today. Shit, I'm cool with that. I am not tripping. But I am still sticking to my thesis. It can shoot up. I'm it. I'm not jumping in. It can distribute up. I was looking at the last time we hit all-time highs. It looked like it distributed up. It passed all-time highs. It pushed all the way up previous day, and then it slammed down kind of like by the open. By the time open came out, so we'll see. I mean, I'm gonna let it chill. I'm not tripping. What I'll do is I'll jump in. I'm gonna start doing some work. All right, guys, that was NFP right there. That was nothing crazy. I mean, overall, looks like it wants to set up the trend for a update. I will go ahead and mute myself, guys, because I got some callios to make. So I'll be back. What's up, guys? I'm back. So, what do we got going on here? Yeah, we just took that trade and we're just chilling, waiting. We're looking at right here. Here's the breakout you had. So, interesting spot to see if it holds this. Sorry, there we go. Interesting spot to see if it holds this breakout or if it starts going back down. But I think it's going to hold and it's going to continue to pop because we have news coming out at 7. And this time for this news, I probably won't have an order on. I'll probably just wait because it was a good wick that wicked my ass down, you know. Wicked me out, took me out. That was good. Good thing I had an ATM in there. I had a place stop, so kept the risk in check. Like I said, I was down to risk 100 for the play. The play was gonna pay out pretty good, 100 to probably $500, 400. So 1, 2 to 3, 2 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 4. So, but I'm still not jumping in. Just got off, just doing some phone calls. But the plan is the same. Just wait. Be very, very patient today. So I'm okay if I don't get the sugar cakes. I forgot to ask about the other ones. Going back. All right, so plan is the same, guys. I'm gonna keep it tight and keep it right. So I'll leave it there. I gotta do another call, guys. So I'm gonna mute myself. What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? I'm back. I'm back. All right, so I took a short there off that little break there, and that was a quick little scalp short, but not bad. Now I'm down like $50, so I'm cool. I'm gonna leave that there. Curious to see if we get a little drop down. All good. That was a quick little short. I wanted a more of a scalp, but still chilling. Still thinking we're gonna go down. If not, I'm okay with it. Just keeping it tight. I mean, 1 to 5 micros is nothing huge. Looks like futures moves higher after November payroll data. Let's keep reading some of that going on. Let's see. I'll put this up for you guys as well. You guys can't see this one, right? There you go. Put this up for you guys to read it. So we got futures move higher after November payroll data. Looks like U.S. stock futures moved higher on Friday after stronger than expected November payroll data. So it looks like our non-farm payrolls rose 227, estimate of rise of 200,000. So were revised higher to 36,000 from 12,000. So a little bit higher. Not bad, not bad. The employment rate stood at 4.2 in November, in line with the forecast of 4.2. Okay, so it looks like, I guess, news was good. So news was good, and that's why we had that kind of jump. I mean, to be realistic with you guys, the jump wasn't that big. I mean, I've seen better, non-farm payrolls before, so it's okay. It's nothing crazy, but still keeping that kind of like this, still like short under this area, 21,474. So I'm gonna keep my short there and see what we get. So it's 5:54. We do have open coming up in about 30 minutes, so we'll keep it light on there as well. We're only in 37 minutes into the day, into the morning, so, and we're light. Like I said, we down like $52, so it ain't nothing crazy. Keeping it light, keeping it right. Okay. Hope you guys are having a good Friday. I'm pumped. Everyone gets pumped on Friday. It's Friday night. Dum, 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 dum. But yeah. Let's get some water. Oh, we're still here. Yeah, we're just waiting. Chilling, guys. We're just waiting. Chilling. Like I said, the game plan was simple. It is Friday. I am not looking to go big size unless we get the move that we want. But she don't seem like she want to give it up at all. At least not this morning, not right now. Still sipping this coffee down. Man, this new latte machine we got is dope. Alright, guys, still waiting, still chilling, still here. Yeah, I mean, I'm 2 trades in, and I'm down about $50, $60, so I'm just chilling, to be honest. She just has not set up. So if the trade doesn't set up, it doesn't set up, or at least not for what I'm looking for. And I'm cool with that. I don't stress out about it. Ain't the end of the world. Just keep waiting. Trading is a freaking patience man's game for sure. And it took me forever to figure that out when I first started trading. Been in the game for like 6 years now. It's a lot of waiting. It's like being a sniper. Wait for hours and hours and hours to get your one 10-second shot. The problem is when you're down red, you want to just go back in there. You see, like, I'm red and I just want to jump back in long right now, but long term, that's not the way to do it. You want to wait for your trade, keep waiting till you see the setup that you want. And I don't see it right now. She's holding. She found a base at that 21.4086. So she did find a base at that 21.4086. So now here's what we got going on. So at least for so far for the game plan is it's holding the breakout, right? So in order for a short to happen, we need to unwind the breakout, right? So here's your 15 minute, here's your 30 minute, right? Now we need, I'm still leaving this on here. This is from last night. That's a short on a paper trade account. But anyways, now we need this to break down, and we really need it to break down below this, right? This area that I built here from yesterday's lows. I need to see a break down here. If not, we're going to get a break up. And what I'll do is I'll draw it this way so you guys can really see. And like I said, I am cool with not taking the. So here's your breakout. I'm not a big trend line user, but it makes it easier for everybody to look at. So here's what we got. This is the dealio here. And I actually got to jump on another call real quick. So, but I want to knock this out for you guys. So here it is. If you guys can see, this is another breakout. We had the same move happen a couple days ago where it shoots up, comes in, and then she breaks out. This is almost enough to be the same thing. But before that happened, we did have that day a down to a previous low. Looks like we have already had that here off the Asia open. So this area of business needs to get done. It needs to shoot under this and maybe give us at least our first target, and then it can continue an uptrend if it does not want to unwind yet, which is fine. I'll take a couple scalps here and there if that happens. Overall, here's your 4 hour. We have your high, a little bit of a higher. We have a lower high in the 4 hour right over here, right? We got our 30-minute right over here. This is what you got on 30-minute to 45-minute. See that? So kind of like a crest going on. So I'll take scalps in this, but I needed to break some levels. I'm interested under this. We get a drop here, take a short, cover some into previous day low, maybe take another short, and then start looking for those targets that we're looking for. Now, the other side of that thesis is if you're a long trader, you can take the other side of this trade. That's fine. I'm not doing it. But you could take the other side of this trade. You can be like, I'm going to take this long and I'm going to risk off this bottom, which is fine too. I'm saying I'm not taking it, but we'll see off the open. But right now I'm just chilling to see what happens. But that's what we got going on. All right, I got to do another call, so I'm going to mute myself, guys. But yeah, that was the game plan I just broke down right now. I'm back. What's up? What do we got going on, guys? Let's see. We are still chilling, looking like we want to chop up and hit that previous day high. I am still waiting to see if we get a short off the open. I might take a scalp long. We'll see if it sets up. And if anything, it's going to be a micro probably, but we'll see. We'll see if we get the move. I was just doing another call, so let's see. Yeah, working. Let me get into this real quick with you guys. So working from home is pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I have my own office and everything. So the big thing that it helps with trading is that I'm not stressed to like make money, right? So I'm just like whatever, you know. If the trade comes, it comes. I can take small size. It's cool actually because when you're full time trading and you're stressed out to make the dough, it's when you like start getting tilty, you start messing up. But I am curious to see what happens here. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then let's see. But yeah, I hope you guys had a good trading week. It looks like we're just hanging out, grinding in that area. Let's drop down to an hourly. So that first trade of the morning was my news strategy where I just put a limit order and I do small size and it goes in my favor instantly or just stops me out instantly. And that's, as you guys saw, hit, stop out, and that was it. And then I waited for a little bit, got back in, took a quick scalp, and that was it. I waited. I took another scalp real quick, and then I lowered the damage, so I'm down only like $50. Now, the next trade, which would be my third trade of the day, is I'm really wanting to get on the right side of this trend. So I have three strategies I trade. One is that strategy you guys saw on the news, which was put a limiter, let it hit, have a TP, have a stop loss. Second strategy is the one that's coming up at open, 616 by the way, at 630. I do the opening range strategy. So on the opening bar of the 30-second, I have another chart you guys can't see. On the 30-second, I'll take either the long or the short. So that's the next one. And my third strategy is just trading off this thesis that I have here, which is previous day high, previous day low, London session high, London session low, Asia high, and Asia low. So that's the third strategy. So those are the three strategies I trade. Pretty simple. Usually with this all together with the strategies, I have about a 65% win rate, 66. So I mean, I do lose. As you guys can tell, I lost. Like, I'm gonna lose. My biggest thing is when I lose is to control my losses. That's the biggest thing about me is that when I lose, I have to avoid going on tilt, right? And what I've noticed helps me with that is the biggest thing that helps me is basically when I'm lost, when I'm down like I am right now, is just taking smaller size. It's not doubling down. And in my prop trading days, I would do the same thing. So I would freaking go really, really hard, right? And go double the size and try to make the money back. And that never works. So now I just take small chips at it. And I just chip down the losses, right? Then once I get break even, then I'm just real chill mode. I'm just waiting and waiting, waiting. So now I've just gotten used to a lot of waiting. Lots of waiting, for sure. So, and we're just waiting right now. Let's see. $618. I'm still gonna leave that order there. I just like it if we can get down there and get the move down. I don't know if we're gonna get it before the news or the open, but I feel like we're gonna get it. I'm just gonna keep waiting. I like to take my shorts off of the breaking of the floor. That's a big thing for me. I don't like to short tops. Like, I'm not good at like shorting these wicks up because I come from small cap world where it's like if you short a freaking breakout and it doesn't stop going, you are screwed, right? You get margin called. So I got tired of that habit. So now I just wait for floors. So breaks. So for example, if you see this break right here, that would have been a short. Break here would have been another short. It's less profits, but it's more of a guaranteed, or not a guaranteed, but a higher probability of being right on the short, right? Short break of this 15 covered there. So it's just a break. These are the 15-minute. It's just breaks of 15s, as you can tell, right? Break of the 15, cover there, you know, break the other bar, cover here. So it's just breaks, and it just works easier for me. Same thing on the long side. You can do it. I'm not the best long trader, but it's the same thesis. It's like once you're here, right? This is your 15. You break above. You basically would go in long, and you would have a stop. Your stop to keep the stops tight would be at the bottom of that bar. So it's about the same thesis. It's like longs on this one, right? People that long this bar, their stops are longs. Their stops are right here. Right, you get a long to get it initiated right here. Like I'll put my short right here. Right, that would give me a nice little stop here to see if we continue to steamroll or if we get the move down. So let's see. That's how my shorting works. So long end is just the inverse of that. But this coffee is good though. I'll tell you that much. 622, 622, 625. I'm gonna take a little quick break off my work, and I'm gonna focus on this open for sure. That's usually what I do. When I do my opening orb or OBO, which is opening range strategy. I definitely focus because it does take a lot of focus on it when I'm doing it. So, or if it pops me into this trade, I'll definitely jump into it. Let's see. 624. Been at this for about an hour, and it's been a bunch of waiting. Yeah, after that NFP came on, I mean, I just chilled out. So, waiting to see. $6.25. $6.25 still. Letting it do its thing. See how we're getting a shot up. Might switch long here and have a quick stop. I might have to. Let's see. I mean, it's looking good. Alright, we'll take a quick little. We took a quick little long. Stop is tight. That's a tight stop right there. I want to see if it takes where longs are usually probably covering right there. So let's see if we get it. See off this open what happens. 627. Let's see what we get. I'm okay if it stops me out, no biggie. Ain't tripping. I'll pay to find out. Commit little commissions here. Let's see. Alright, let's see. Almost the open, 629. I'll just take that off real quick. Don't like it, you can always take it off. About to hit 630. 629. Still waiting. Got in short there. See if we get a drop here. There's 630. There's that 630. Let's see. See if we get a little drop here. Took some off. All right, let's take some on this. See if we can get a push out then. See, we're gonna wait for a rip. Another rip. We'll leave that there, see if it stops me out. Oh, very nice. Look at that. Took some off on that one. Gonna let it rip a little more. We're gonna leave the runner on here. Gonna look for a full break push. All right, that was nice. And what I'll do is I'll put a runner out for a breakout. There you go. Let's see if we can get a breakout here. Most breakouts fail, so. If we push, I'll add to it. If not, I'll keep a stop right here, keeping it tight again. Keeping it tight, keeping it tight. I just added to that. Add one more. Let's see if we can get a push. Push. Another push. And what we'll do is we'll leave runner, we'll leave it like that. Very nice. That was a good little breakout there. Let's take another push. Just took that off. Don't like what it's doing. I'll just watch it now. Just watching. And I'm just watching, chilling, just hanging out. Let's see what it does. Looks like it wants to break out, but for sure looks like it wants to break out. Chilling, waiting. Still chilling, waiting. It looks like it wants to break out for sure. For sure looks like it wants to break out. Oh yeah, she's going for a breakout. Look at that. She's going for previous day high. Oh yeah, she is. Very nice. She is shooting up there. She's almost there. She's shooting up. She's shooting up. Yeah, she's about to reach it. Oh, wow. She's about to go, 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 go. By the way, this is paper account on this right there. Damn. She did it. Look at that. What a beast. Cool stuff. Nice. Very nice. So for sure, that was a good that was sick. Good stuff. So, as it was going up, I actually switched my biases and I took, "Oh, good morning, brother. What's up? Just saw your comment. Good morning. One stop trader. Good morning, bro. Good morning." So I actually switched biases on a chart. So I'll show you guys real quick. Hold on. Good morning, man. I hope you're having a blessed morning. Good stuff. Okay, so I switched biases and she did. She bounced up previous day. Look at that. She's still ripping. Oh man, I want to take a long. I'll take a quick little long here. Not really. I'll let it fly. Let me show you guys what I did. So this was good thing I didn't hold this short right here, right? Like I said, this was my paper account. This is a short I held from yesterday, last night. Look at that. That would have been no bueno, right? That's no bueno. But it is ripping. Let's say it trapped into that area and it did the same move we just talked about this morning, right? What did we say this morning? We said it's either gonna go dip or it's gonna pull this shit that it did. But this time last week, it actually dipped. It didn't even dip below London low. This time it dipped and then it just flew away. And then it's gonna be runaway train unless we get news at 7 o'clock to see if it brings it down. But she going. She cleared all the shorts that were holding overnight for sure. But anyways, I actually have another chart up. Here's my other chart I have up, guys. This is my 30-second chart that I do my live. I actually do as well. This is sometimes I'll trade, like I said, 1 mini on here. So I flip biases. Here's my OBO. Here's my 30-second open range. So I switch biases down here. I put a mini on and I held it most of the way. So I'll show you guys where I'm at. So that was the trade I was doing while the micro was up. Let's see. Okay. So I'll show you guys the trade. So that was the trade. I flipped my biases as I was saying. As I was saying, I was actually in the trade. I was focused as fuck. But here it is. So here's the trade. I was focused as fuck. I was trading a mini. I'd switch my bias and that was the breakout. That was the move. This is the move right here. That was your indication to freaking go long, right? But I was short biased the whole morning, but I switched it. That's how it works. Just because I want the market to go down don't mean the market's gonna go down. Market don't give a fuck what I want. They don't give a damn what I want. So sometimes it just gotta be like that. This is what trading's like. You have a game plan, you make a plan, and then midway through the trade you're like, fuck, I'm wrong. I need to switch. So yeah, I took a little bit of a hit. I was down like $400, a little more than I would like on a Friday, but the move was there and I took it. You gotta take it when it's there. So anyways, that was a move. I took it, held this zone from yesterday. See, held it. Again, this zone for me is gold. Like I'm gonna be stocking this zone like a fat boy stocking cake. Even if it comes down a month, 2-3 months down the road. Once we hit down this road, I'm gonna leave all this here. When it hits down this road, I'm looking for shorts, underneath of it. But I am a short bias trader, so that's how it is. It is what it is. But this is what we got going on right now. Pretty good. I brought this account from 13K, so not bad. Almost up about more than 2,000. Yeah, good shit. Good day. Didn't think I was gonna clear that today. So good day because I had one red day this week and 2 green days, or 1 red day, 3 green days. So that was my edge playing out there, 66%. You know, make your winners be bigger than your loser days. And I have a max loss on my account. On my account, my max loss on my Ninja Trader is 2,500. So, and usually when it hits me, that's it. I'm done. I gotta walk away. It locks me out for the day. So, I actually hit max loss this week. So that was the ironic part, was I actually hit it. I actually hit max loss this week. So that was crazy. But all good. I'm back. That was good stuff. I might just walk away with that W. Because that was good. That was awesome. Good stuff. That was good in play trading. You know, I had been saying the whole morning, if I want to go short, I want to go short, and it wasn't there. It wasn't there. Like, you know, it is what it is. That is fucking trading. But yeah, I'm glad I didn't. Other thing I started doing on my personal account is I am not trading overnight. So just because I know we have Trump's about to be in office, we got all this volatility. I don't want to get stuck right here. So, like I said, this was my paper account. No, I'm actually just gonna probably leave it there. Let it just. Yeah, I'll leave it there. And it's just my paper account. That's all it is. You guys can see right there. I brought this account from like 5K, so just paper trading, practicing before I even got into my real account. But that was the trend. You guys saw that. That line was juice. And it broke out again. That is crazy. Market is insane. Look at that. It just continues to break out. So another thing about my short thesis is I'm keeping the size small, right? So today I shorted between 1 to 6 micros, 1 to 6 micros. And when I finally got on the right side of the move, I just took 1 mini and then I just rolled it up. And that was it. Yeah, I mean, that was crazy. Yeah, I'm probably done for today. I'm not interested to short this at all. 0 unless we get under this. Unless we get under this zone, then I'll be interested. What I'll do is I'll set an alert right over here to see if we give back that whole move, which I doubt it. On a Friday, we still got news at 7 o'clock. So news is about to hit actually right now. So that's funny. And I'll change this back to, yeah, that was good. That was a good trade. Good flipping bias. Before, I would just keep shorting in my small cap days. Shout out to my small cap traders out there. I would literally just keep shorting and shorting. Another big thing about when I flip over to like do 1 mini instead of the micros is because if I do 10 micros, yes, I could have held on longer, but it's just a bitch because fees kill you on a live account. Fees will murder you. I'm paying about 10% of my profits, so I can't be, giving too much, 20, 30% of profits to my commission. So usually I am a micro guy. I am 95% of the time microing, but if I need to get on the right side of the trade and the setup is there and it's tight, I'll take a mini. I'll take 1 mini and keep it tight. Keep a stop about $300, 150, and let it rip. So, I mean, I took that long kind of right here off this breakout and just, whoop, that was it. So that was a combination of opening range with a little bit of Momo. I'm not gonna lie, it definitely trapped. Definitely was trappy. That's for sure. It was very, very trappy. So here's the 30. Let me show you guys the 30-second chart that I trade my opening range from. I have this on another screen. I'll show it to you guys. Hold on. And I'm actually, here it is. So here's the opening range. See, this was the range right here. So this was the range, opening range bar. Once we flipped up, trap shorts, it got me on this one because I was looking for short, and then it happened. And I had to flip long. I flipped long in this area, and then I sold it about here on that mini. I could have held it for more, but I was trying to make back I made back my loss. So I was down like 488, so I made that back plus plus my profits. So almost made like 1,800 again. So that's a pretty big day for me, especially on a personal account. Especially on a personal account. Not doing props right now. I'm not doing any props. I'm just not. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not saying I'll never go back, but I'm feeling really, really good on my live personal, and it's growing pretty good. So game plan is once I hit 20 G's, I'm taking out 5. So every 20, what I'll do is I'll do 20 G's, take out 5, 20 G's, take out 5, 20 G's, take out 5. And that's the game plan. And once I 100% my account, then it's fucking house money there, right? Then it's house money. So pretty excited about that. But till then, I'm just gonna keep doing this, keep hitting it. That's the goal. Every 20K, take 5, and then after I get my full money back. Game plan is just to grow the account, and probably won't take any payments. I'll just grow it to. I want to grow it to 50K, get a 50K account, and then once I have a 50K account, I'll switch up to doing minis. I'll do one mini, and that's it, max size one mini, and just do that, and leave the micros. But right now, I'll keep doing the micros till I get there. Throw in a mini here and there. I took about 10K, 11K from Topstep, so this year, so yeah, 12K, something like that. I made minus my fees. I was up about 6-7K at profits from prop firms this year, so I was finally profitable on prop firms. So it was good. It works. It's just a bitch, and I'm not fond of the fucking rules. The rules suck ass. But all good. I'd still use them if you have no capital, for sure. If you can handle the rules, it makes you more disciplined. I mean, I'm not knocking on them. I used them for a year and a half, so I can't sit here and be like, oh, they don't make you disciplined. No, they do. They discipline the shit out of you. They make you a better trader. You learn how to trade small size. You learn how to take base hits. Like, shout outs to the prop firms out there. I mean, things are changing in the prop world, right? I would like to go for like maybe a T3, maybe like a real official prop. S&B Capital, you need like a fucking master's degree. So we'll see. I don't know. I mean, I'm excited. I've been in this journey for about 6 years, and I love trading. I mean, trading is my jam. I love it. Most of the people I started off trading with, they're done. They quit. They gave up. They went on to do other things, which is fine. But I mean, if I feel like you either love it, like rest in peace Kobe Bryant, would say you love the process or you don't. So I just love the process. Yeah, the money's good here and there, but I love getting better every day. And just, that's my focus, to get better every day. The fame, the ego, all that bullshit, I don't really need that. I drive a fucking Honda Civic. Shout out to, Travis, my boy. That's my homie right there. Shout out, I call him the king of props. If you guys don't know who it is, TWT, trading with Travis. Fool's cool. He was a big mentor, big help for helping me get in the game of futures. So gotta give him his flowers for sure. Shout out to him. He helped me, told me how to start the micros. Did the micros. I started off with the minis, and micros was the way. I mean, micros is the way 90% of the time. I won't go to minis for a long time. I'll probably do micros definitely for sure the rest of this year. Probably will do micros the rest of 2025 and just milk the micros to the best that I can. So, yeah, shout out to all my people in my journey. Sure as hell didn't get here by myself. They all helped out, for sure. And yeah, shout out to me for not giving up, man. That's, still here after 6 years, still here after hella losses, 5-figure losses. I'm still here, still grinding away. Yeah, I really think that 90%, 90% of traders fail. And I'm just like, I don't think it's 90% of traders fail. I think it's 90% of traders give up. That's what the fuck it is. At least that's what I think. But anyways, back to trading. So 7 o'clock, we got news out coming out right now. We got news. It just hit right now. News, guys. We got news. News is out right now. Just got the alarm. News is out. Let's see. Are we gonna get a drop or what? at least down to this trend line. I want to short it. Might take a short. Quick little $50 short. Let's see. Might not. I'm curious. Let's see. Let's see what it does. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, curious to see what it does. Let's see. I'm curious to see if they give the move back or not. If she pushes past high, I don't think she'll give the move back. And that's the last news of the day. Oh yeah, 7 o'clock. That's it. For sure. Oh yeah. No, she's not stopping. Nope. Ain't nothing stepping in front of that. Yeah, what I'll do basically is if I once I jump off, I'll leave an alert here and I'll take all my charts down and log out of my live broker and just be like, F it, and wait if it ever comes down here. But might midday, I don't know. I'm interested. Not interested to catch any tops, that's for damn sure. What do they say? Top pickers become cotton pickers. No pun intended. You know, that's the joke, Wall Street joke. But I'm interested if we get into the back into this level, right? This is a huge 30-minute FU candle, right? So shouldn't even be looking for shorts, honestly. You know, no degen until we get back down to 2148. That's the straight up answer. Shouldn't even be looking for shorts until we get back into this. And on the 4 hour, I mean, shouldn't be looking for real swing shorts until you get down before previous day low, like into this. So that's the non-DJ answer. The old me wants to short the shit out of this and cover it down. I want to, but it's not price action that it's doing right now. It's no bueno. It's doing that low chop shit. And on the 30-second, it's cool because you can really see if it's chopping or if it's just going to give the move. Okay. So, yeah, man, today was a good sesh. For sure. Good way to end the week. I'm thinking I got one more trade in me, just going to be one micro, but not digging it where it's at right now, that's for sure. It's 7 o'clock. And she does not want to stop. Let's see. Yeah, what a nasty breakout. Look at that. Ugh. It's the bull sign. I mean, usually I don't get shit on the bull side, but I'm getting better and better at the longs, that's for sure. And that's only because I try. I have to try 3-4 times on the fucking short side, and then I'm like, oh, I guess I'm wrong today. And then finally get long. But the biggest thing is, like I said, control the sizes on your losing trades. So I'm risking 1 to 3% of my account size per trade on my first 3 to 4 trades on micros, 1 or 2 micros, 3 micros, 4 micros. And then when I feel that it's like, okay, I'm wrong on my theses, right? If I've shorted 4 times in 4 different areas and I haven't really made much, made small green, or it's just not giving me the move, then I'm probably wrong, right, on the thesis for the day. So flip my thesis, go long, put a little size behind it, you know, go 9 micros, 1 mini, and let it play out. And if it's a winner, let it run. And that one winner should cover at least 4 to 5 losses. And that's why my win rate is 66%, because I do lose a lot. Oh, I want to take this. I might take this short right here. I want to take this right here. I'm going to take it. Took it. Took a short right here. Last short of the day. Last short of the day right here. I'm risking 50 on it. 50 on it. $50. $50. I either get it or I don't. I either get the cheeks or I don't get the cheeks. Let's see. Actually, I'll risk $40. There you go, 43 bucks. She either takes my ass and that's it. She takes my 43 bucks. I'm cool. This will be the last trade. After this, I'm done for the day. Let's see if she does it. Come on. Oh, she looking juicy. What's she gonna do? What's she gonna do? I'm not taking no big size up here. Hell no. I don't give a if it goes all the way back down. I ain't taking no big size. Okay. Here we go. Okay, I took that off. See if we get a little pop here. Little pop. Let's see. A quick little scalp. That was a quick little scalp. I want to see if I get a little retracement here and take one more. Risking 50 for the biscuit here. 50 for the biscuit. Let's see. We're watching it right here. I'm just trying to see if I can take it. See, it gets fun when you just do one micro. It's not even fucking stressful. You're just having fun with it. When you size up, it's you get stressed to the balls. You feel like your heart's gonna come out of your ass. You gotta make it fun, man. Just size down for sure. Oh, I guess that was a quick little scalp then, huh? She retracing for sure. Let's see. Oh, she going back up. What is it? 707. Want to see if she's gonna give the cakes. Oof. Nope. She said nope. I can go higher. I mean, there's no resistance up here. I mean, we got no levels. That's the thing about all-time highs. It's a bitch. It's like when you're a short trader, you want levels to risk off, right? Resistance. You ain't got shit but blue skies. That's what we call it in small caps. Straight up blue fucking skies up here. It means it's price discovery. It means the market can do whatever it wants. Okay, I guess that was my short of the day. Quick little scalpy scalp. Okay, look at that. All right, there it is. It's about that clear asses right here. Yup. I see that. Okay. I wonder if at 7:30 it's gonna give the drop. Do the drop. That was good little pop right there. We'll do this. Last trade of the day. Let's see. We'll do one more. There you go. One quick little micro. If we get the drop, we'll do a little $50 stop on it. Since we made a little money on the last scalp. If she breaks the floor here, let's see, we'll break this on a 3-minute. This is what we got on a 2-minute. If she can break it right here, 21,595, and risk the top here. Let's see. And actually, I like it a little bit better, a little bit lower. There you go. 91s. If we can get 91s going. Let's see if we can get 91s going. If we get 91s and she drops down, we're looking pretty good. Let me take this shit off. Since obviously holding 5 markers would have been like a fucking $1,000 loss today from last night. Obviously that thesis didn't work out. So what we'll do is we'll do this. And it's just to see had our thesis been right. This is what I'll do sometimes. I'll do paper trading is cool. Same. It's just because you can see your thesis. It's not about making the money. It's just seeing why your idea was wrong or correct. That's the thing about it. People knock on paper trading a lot, but I think it's helpful as fuck. I think it helps a lot. But anyways, we'll see that. See what that does. 7:30 is coming up. All right, so we got this. And then another thing I'll do is like as I'm waiting for it to do its thing, I'll just start doing some work. That's why it helps to have a job if you're like a full-time trader, or at least a gig, something you could, so you're not attached to it. Focus and like, forcing the trade. Yeah, I've noticed a lot. I'm getting a lot better on patience on my trades especially after a loss, even after a win. Oh yeah, see there she goes. See, so that thesis wouldn't have worked out. Yeah, see. I mean, she's got no reason to. VWAP is grinding up. There is no reason to go down. And news came out at 7. And we had news at 7, so. Let's see. We should have no more news for the day. There it is. That's it. Friday. See, yeah. We had 5:30, 5:37. Mortgage customer sentiment. That was it. So she can ride this baby up. Yeah, that was cool. Cool little trade. I ain't chasing shit. I'm done for the day. I don't want to see that move. I want to see this. I'll take one more trade. I'm interested in this little micro short area. So if we break here and then go into at least 21 or hold this one and then continue the trend up for the day, that's where I'm interested. I'm not chasing the top to short shit because that's just not gonna happen. I am not shorting all-time highs at the top. I'll wait for a little retracement so I can walk into my Another thing I've waited is limit orders have been working pretty well too. With the patience, just wait for it to hit. If it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit. Gives me time to also look at the price action to see if my thesis is right or to change it. What is it? 7:13. All right. Looking pretty good. I mean, I made my money for the day, shit. For the week, to be honest. I just have that trade on just to have it on because I feel like we might get a micro little dump. But the way she moving, there's no reason. Who wants to check out if what's going on overall market? Let's see. Oh, we got Bitcoin's up, not a surprise. And Q's oil. Where's oil at? ES is up. Oil's down, not surprised. Let's check Bitcoin, guys. Okay, look at Bitcoin. All right. I wonder if anybody bought this drop yesterday. 92. It looks like I did an all-time high as well. And Bitcoin is doing the same shit. Like, trend up, have some major ass pullbacks. I'm talking major pullbacks. Whoop. And then I'll swoop back up. And then the breakout here was obviously this yesterday. And then it swooped up to 104. And then obviously now it's looking for either another breakout to build continuation. Let's look at oil. Oof. I haven't traded oil for a while, but damn. See, oil is where the short's at. Oil is what I should have been shorting. I mean, not chasing it now, but this is the move. Look at that. Under previous day low. Here's the unwind that I'm waiting for on the fucking Nasdaq that it hasn't given. This is the shit I'm looking for. That unwind. It sucks because you gotta wait for it. Doesn't happen when you want it. Look at this is oil. I mean, it hasn't really been dipping. It's been like a grind down, so it looks better on a 4 hour. So you had to wait through all this, and I don't know if you're gonna wait through all this chop on oil. It's the thing I didn't like about oil. There's a lot of chopping. Here was a better, smoother day. So that's oil, and back to M&Q. That's the unwind I want for sure. I just don't know if we're gonna get it. Yesterday we had a midday drop, which was kind of cool. Kind of like right here, under London's choo-choo. So I don't know if we're gonna get that again today, because it overextended pretty fucking high. Oof. Damn. What was that? 200 points? Yeah, almost like 300 points. I don't know if we're gonna get that. That's just building at this point. Yep. That's no bueno for the shorts. Yeah, overnight shorts got their ass smoked. I mean, unless they got out on that previous day low. Alright. I'm gonna stretch my legs out. I think I'm done for the day. I mean, yeah, was it 7:30? 7:30, I might call it shops. We'll see. I'm gonna stretch these legs out for a bit. Oh yeah, she's just gonna keep on ripping. Yep. Yeah, I have the biggest issue with fucking all-time highs. I gotta get better at it. It's hard to buy when it just continues to rip, you know. You just want it to drop, especially if you're a perma bear. And I'm a perma bear, but getting better at longing for sure. It's just once you get stopped out, you're like, all right, I'm wrong. Market says go higher, then go higher. But it is what it is. Alright, I got a standing desk at home, so I'm just gonna standing up real quick, and I'll give it till 7:30. 7:30, that shit doesn't get hit, I'm done. I'm out of here. I'll shut it down for the week. And I won't even jump in unless I get an alert. Oof, that is nasty. They got the buying algos going on right now. This straight up algo buying, where it just keeps pushing. We would call this the grind of death in small caps, right? It was straight up just you'd be short and you'd be like, I'm gonna short right here, keeps pushing. I'm gonna short right here, keeps pushing. And then you would, these micro pullbacks, you would short right here, it'd keep pushing. And every time it kept pushing, you kept adding and adding till you're down 20 G's and you're like max paying. You're like, fuck. And that's when we called it blue skies, is what we call it in small caps. Blue skies. Shorting blue skies. Well, on the daily, there's no levels. Just it can go as high as it wants for as long as it wants. And it's towards the end of the year, so I'm still thinking for my short buys, but look at that. We got some levels to go down. We got some unfinished business right here. Look at that. This is all unfinished business right here. She gonna give it in one day. Not might be today, might not be tomorrow, might be next month, but I mean, we had a rip where this rip here, it lasted for what, 3 days, 4 days. Oh, that's what a weekly looks like. We've had times until we get a nice unwind. We're talking about weeks where you're waiting for the short. Look at that. This was 1, 2, 3, 4, a month, a full month before she decided to like do a full unwind, right? We're talking about a complete unwind, 2,000 point unwind. So it's going to take time to get the unwind. We still haven't got that unwind. We might not get it. We might just continue to fucking bull run every day. We got Trump in office. Who knows? You know? But these days that it gives the pullback, these weeks, that's where big traders make big, big money. And of course, you could just follow the trending and long overall. I mean, the market's always going up. So, but I'm just saying this where was at 22. You had a full. Remember that 21. You full dip. This was a lot of short bears got paid, made millions. But overall, bull is the way to go. But yeah, I mean, it's just gonna continue to shoot up. So I know might change thesis next week, and this area is golden. It's a golden area for to hold. But you never know. Keep your head on the toes. As soon as you think the market's just gonna keep going up, she decides to change her way. Especially when everybody gets on one side of the market. At least I remember COVID. Those are the days where it's just like, oops, nope. You have one of these days, right? 2% down. Boom. You have all the dip buyers that were dip buying this day. They keep dip buying, and she doesn't recover. And those are the days where you get smoked, right? Same thing on this in July, where we had nothing but dip buyers make money for a month, and then full month of just dip. So just always know that the market is right and you're always wrong. At least that's what I've learned. Let the charts tell you what she wants to do. Yeah, we got some levels to work on for sure. Whenever she decides to give them cakes. Yeah, I thought she was going to give them cakes today, but I guess not. Alright. Might get a pullback to the previous day high and then continue the up. But, yeah. Late day grind off? I don't know. We have no news to bring it down, and you need a reason. So the thing about indexes is you need a reason for it to go down. You don't need a reason for it to go up, right? Market can continue to go up longer than you stay solvent. So big thing about futures is you do not need a reason for it to go up. But you do need a reason for it to go down. So if anything, I'm probably about to take off this short. And I'm about to call it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I'm about to call it right now. I'm giving it 6 more minutes and I'm out. 6 more minutes and I'm out. I'm done for the day. I'm gonna shut it down. I'll give no more money. Get my money and run. Get my money and run. Get my money and run. Oh, she looks like she was trying to give some cakes right here. Let's see. Is she trying to give them cakes right here? What's she trying to do? Snaps. She trying to break down on the 15. She trying to break down on the 15. She said, I'm breaking down. I'm breaking down. She trying. But you don't want to short till You get a break at a 15. You got resistance right there. Yep, there it is. Just gets right back the fuck up. Crazy. Crazy. Almost like it wants to almost do the, what do they call it? ICT? Turtle soup? Turtle soup itself, right? Go wee, but don't know if it wants to turtle soup. I'm gonna turtle soup everybody else. See, I want to short the shit out of it. The short in me wants to shorted the king come, right? But wrong one. But the smart me says, no, dude. You don't want to short this. You ain't trying to short this, boy. You don't want none of this. Bulls in the house. You got bulls in the house, homie. You got bulls in the house, homie. You got bulls in the house, homie. I'm about to take it off and bounce. Take it off and bounce. I'm about to bounce. We're about to bounce. Okay, so we got that. We hit that. Okay. We got a little bit of this. And then 3 minutes left. I do not think we are going to get that drop, guys. I just don't see it coming. But I'm glad I'm not holding a fucking losing position, that's for sure. I'll be sweating cojones right now. Another big thing about that prop from trading showed me over the year and a half I did it, was cut your losers. Do not hold on to losers. Cut your losers. And it's easier when you have small size just to cut them. Be like, F it. Just take a band-aid off. Cut it. It's like getting hit in the face. Just cut it. Cut it and move on. Wait for the next setup. Right? The faster you cut it, the more opportunity you have to wait for another setup, to wait for another opportunity to make your money back. If the longer you hold it, the less opportunity you have in the future, because you'll blow the hell up and you won't be able to make that money back. So it's vice versa. All right, cool. What the hell happened in my screen? Want to get 3 more minutes? What do we got? Oh yeah, she ain't giving the cakes. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. And that'll put me at pretty much I'm getting to my max anyways, 2 hours and 11 minutes. So I'm getting pretty close to what I like to max on trading a day, which is 2 hours. It's pretty good for me. Okay. All right. Get this done. Okay. All right. And all right. So we're about to. Cool. 7:30. Yeah, I mean, she's not looking. Oh, there's that 7:30. Shit. Yeah. There's that alarm, guys. I got an alarm actually at 7:30. All these times to remind me. Let's see if she gives some cakes real quick. I'm curious. No, she probably won't. All right. I'm out. I'll take a short right here. Let's do it. I'll take a little short. Last short of the day. Let's see if she gives the cakes. Let's see. Curious to see if she gives them booty cakes. Got a $50 stop right here. She stops me out, we out. Oh. She looking like she wants to stop me out. Stop me out. Oh, she does. She does. She does. Come on, you know you want to stop me out. Come on, do it. Do it. Do it. Wow. I mean, not a bad spot to take a little scalp and see if she gives it up. I dropped it down to $45. 45 bucks. I'll stop out. I might even drop it a little more. Let's see. 37. Yep. 33. 31. 25. We'll do a little $25 stop. Half of what we wanted. Crazy. She gonna do it? Come on, stop me out. This is a quick little stab I wanted to take. It is 7:32, so not gonna add to this position. I'm gonna let it ride because I'm very curious to see if she gives them cakes right here. Oh shit. Oh shit, she gave them cakes. She gave them cakes. Wow. I added to that one. Quick little drop. I'm looking for a little drop right here. Okay. Took that. Took a little drop. Take a little drop. 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 Take a little drop. 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 Come on. A little more. A little more. Ho ho. Money. Almost a free trade right here. Let's see. Free trade. That was cool. That got me to 15,600. So I was actually looking for that. That was nice. Yeah, I'll take that. That was a cool little short. Damn, and she does not want to give up the move. She said, hell nah. Nope. Does not want to give up the short. Nope. Look at that. Look how she comes down here and just holds it. Wild. And she flips back up. Insane. So I have this thing by 7:30. If she doesn't give the move, she's probably ain't giving the move. Yeah, that's crazy. Look at that. She just goes back up. Was it 735? Wow. Gives the whole thing up. Yep, that is it for me. All right, guys. I'm done. I got the last two little shorts. That was funny. But here's what we got. So that last short put me at 15,600. I'm good. Gucci with that straight up. That's 2,600 on the week, dog. I'm good. I put 13,000 in this account. Put all my Topstep payouts on this account. Some of my own money, and I'm out. I'm up 2,600, which I would have to beat that up on a fucking eval, which sucks. And then you would have to pass the eval, and then you'd have to make the money all over again, which fucking sucks some more. So, yes, I love the prop firm space. Yes, it's a great tool, but damn, I love fucking personal account trading. That shit is the bomb. But yeah, had some ups and downs this week. I'm out. I'm gonna take my W. Peace out. So good week, 15,600. We out. We taking this. We gonna keep grinding this out. Thanks for joining, guys. I'm out. Been trading for about 2 hours. About to continue my work, and the market looks like it wants to continue up, which is great. I'm done trading. I made my money. What is the old stock market saying? Is pigs get slaughtered. So if you are green right now, my tip is shut that shit down. Get off. It's Friday. Go live life. Get your ass off these screens and go enjoy that money. So, peace, y'all. Thanks for joining.